welcome. Today I am going to explain to you what mercantilism and trade means, especially in reference to 17th and 18th century India. You are watching Class Remotely and this is your teacher Mahjubin. What is mercantilism? Mercantilism means commercialism or commercial activities. This implies business activities. These activities were pursued by adhering to a particular trade or business policy that was practiced by the European powers who were keen on expanding their territories outside Europe between the 16th and 18th centuries. It is a term which is related to transactions or exchanges. In other words, mercantilism refers to sales and purchases. Mercantilism is a term which is also connected to an economic system of trade that spread in the world from the 16th to the 18th century. It is a theory which believed that a nation can become both wealthy and powerful if it can export more and more commodities. More than import, mercantilism stressed on export. So the policy or principle of mercantilism demanded that trade be increased. In fact, mercantilism became so popular in Europe in the 16th century that it became the main reason why all the European countries wanted to establish more and more colonies. They were looking for lands which they could bring under their control, and from these new lands they would buy raw materials at cheap prices and later sell the finished products to other countries as well as to the colonies under them at higher prices. In order to bring these foreign territories under their control, the European countries colonized them, and mercantilism was an economic system under which India ended up becoming a colony of the British. One important thing to note is that according to the policy of mercantilism, it was only the mother country which was entitled to gain from trade and exports. The subjugated country or the colony was compelled to buy goods from the mother country at very high prices. The colonies were also not permitted to engage in profitable trade with other countries. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have got any questions. You can type in the comment section. Also, do make it a point to follow the notes I usually type on the descriptions below each video I upload. Until the next time we meet, goodbye.